Jeffrey here at Battlefield Flag Company. I want to take a moment to share with you about our new flag replacement program. We're going to be offering 3 different tiers: the Patriot tier, the Freedom tier, and the Liberty tier. With the Patriot tier, we're going to automatically ship you a new flag every 6, 9, or 12 months, whatever we deem is appropriate for your situation. That's going to show up at your business or your residence. And when that shows up, you're going to know it's time to replace your old flag, and you're always going to have a great looking flag up there representing your business or your home. With the Freedom tier, we're going to take that a step further. If you're in the St. Louis area, Redbud, Waterloo, Columbia, Millstadt, Belleville, O'Fallon, Fairview, anywhere in this area, we're going to come out to your business or your residence. We're going to pull down your old flag, raise up a new one, and we will properly dispose of the old one for you. With the Liberty tier, we're going to take that a step further. We're going to provide some general hardware maintenance on the flagpole, on the clasp to hook the flag to the flagpole rope. General maintenance will be provided with the Liberty tier also. We want you to know that at Battlefield Flag Company, a portion of all sales goes to support local veterans, and we are very proud to offer that. We want to be your exclusive U.S. flag provider. Get in touch with us today, battlefieldflagco.com, and we will talk to you. We would love to work out a plan that fits your needs. We hope you have a great day, and God bless.